Are you looking to work in tech and gain hands-on experience fixing MacBooks, iMacs, and LCD screens? Minko's Macs is the perfect place for you. We specialize in a wide range of repairs, from hardware replacements to intricate diagnostics, ensuring that every device we handle is restored to its optimal performance. At Minko's Macs, you'll have the opportunity to work with the latest technology and tools, providing top-notch service to our customers. Our team of skilled technicians is dedicated to delivering quick and reliable repairs, whether it's replacing a damaged LCD screen, fixing water damage, or upgrading components. Join us and become a part of a dynamic, customer-focused environment where your skills will be valued and developed. We are committed to training and supporting our staff to ensure they can tackle any repair challenge with confidence. If you're passionate about technology and eager to learn, Minko's Macs is the place for you. Apply today and take the first step towards a rewarding career in tech repair. Visit any of our branches in Lewisham, Camden, Shoreditch, or Wimbledon. Thank you.